Alright guys, so what do I think about the Wltoys drift car? Well, I think it's fantastic. In many ways, it is a beautiful piece of machinery, very well engineered in pretty much every possible way. The battery is good, all the electronics are good, and it puts the Kyosho here, the initial D86 Toyota, to shame on everything except the body styling. The body styling is way better, as you can see here on this car compared to this one. However, here's the problem. Here's the problem with this vehicle. I bought it and it said on the website that it was a drift car. Comes with rubber wheels. They went with a anyway, can't say that word. Anyway, they went with a special kind of wheel that only works with Wltoys. So anything else that I currently own, such as this one here, I can't put it on there, even though this one is a drift tire, which is nice and smooth. There's another one that I own, like this, also a nice drift tire. Can't put it on there. So, I mean, that's kind of unfortunate, and so I have to send it back. I don't know where to buy the spare parts or whatever for that. So, and also the other thing is these are very hard to remove. The car did not come with the tool to remove this, and so again, like, I'm not going to go out of my way to buy the tool that should come with the kit. So yeah, that's also a no-no for me. So yeah, I'm just going to have to put this back in the box and set it back to Walmart. Sad story really, because I really wanted to love this car so much. On the other hand, this one, unfortunately, it doesn't meet the requirements either, but at the very least, it does go over, since it's not a drift car, it has the rubber wheels, at least it goes over bumps. This thing is so low to the ground that I can't even do like little races with my daughter in the house, because it won't go over anything. So yeah, that's a problem. When you make a drift car that comes with this kind of wheel, then, you know, it's not very versatile. So yeah, lots of problems there. But again, when it comes to drifting, I'm pretty sure this would be a really good car if it came with drift wheels. So yeah, too bad. Too bad. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. So if you do decide to buy this car, make sure that it does actually come with drift tires. What I should have done was contacted the seller and asked them, does it have drift tires? But you know, when you write it in the description, drift car, you'd expect drift tires. Anyway, I digressed. See you in the next one, guys.